Autodesk Assistant. This couldn't get any easier. And to show us how easy it is, we have our first Fusion expert here today. So everybody welcome Heather to the stage. Heather.
Hi, Andrew.
Okay, so you have been working on AI in Fusion for a long time.
Yes, since the days before ChatGPT.
Oh, the olden days.
The olden days.
Okay, all right, so what can you show us about what we can do with the assistant inside of Fusion?
Yeah, I'm really excited to show you where we're at in our journey now. So are you ready to join the air fryer project?
I'm ready for the air fryer.
Okay, well, step one, we have to add you to our project. So setting up accounts can be kind of complex, but with the Autodesk Assistant, it's easy. I can start with a single prompt. So I'm gonna tell the assistant that I'd like to add someone to the air fryer project. And here, now it helps explain to me what to do next. So now I can share your name, Andrew Nost, and I get to pick what role to give you. Let's put you to work. How do you feel about being an editor on this air fryer?
You mean I can change things?
You can change things.
Sounds a little risky.
Let's do it. We're bold.
All right.
As an editor.
Okay.
And in just a sec, there we go. Invitation sent. You are now an editor on our project.
Now, fabulous. Now, I've used Fusion many times. It's kind of a pain, honestly, to add everything. So this is pretty amazing.
Yeah, you don't even have to leave the context of what you're doing. You're in the middle of what you're up to. You can stay in the same context, do what you need to do, and go right back to designing.
Fabulous. Okay. Anything else?
Well, and because Fusion keeps a history of changes, I can keep an eye on any of your edits and make sure that you're not doing anything.
Yeah, that's a good idea in case you have to reconsider those editor privileges.
Yes, I can.
All right, thank you, Heather. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Everybody give Heather a hand. All right, so next, the project manager creates the specs for the new product. So when the industrial designers log into Fusion, they can hit the ground running because it's all right there. And I'm also excited to announce that we'll be adding more generative AI tools to Fusion. Another example of neural technology based on our leading foundation models for manufacturing. So let's go back to Heather to see how some of this works. All right, Heather, what can you show us about generative AI and Fusion?
Well, so here we have a blank sheet of paper.
The hardest problem that you have to start with in your career.
Yes, so I'm hoping that generative AI can help give us a starting point to work on for this air fryer. So I will use Autodesk Assistant to call our generative AI tools and get some assistance on a starting point.
You're literally asking it to generate an air fryer.
Yes, I've asked it to generate the air fryer, and now you can watch it going. So here you can really see...
Like infotainment.
Yeah, you can watch kind of how the model is working. This is how the model thinks about shapes and air fryers. So you can kind of see various edges are coming in and surfaces, getting some details. So you got your little feet, keep it off the countertop. You got a handle coming in. Yeah, editor, how do you feel about how this?
Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Your blank sheet problem just got solved.
It did.
So now you have something to start ideating with.
Exactly. Are you happy with the shape? I'm happy with it.
It looks good to me.
Okay, so I can hit OK, and now it gets brought into Fusion as a standard CAD format. And so this is now the kind of CAD used in any sort of engineering applications, which means that we can do downstream edits. So we can do something like splitting and shelling.
So this is fully editable CAD geometry. Now, nothing else in the world does that.
Yes, this full workflow is unique for us.
Okay, so you can change the fillets, you can move the lines around and it'll update. It's the real deal.
It is the real deal. So it's a first-class citizen, you can edit whatever you want, you can do other downstream applications, you can manufacture anything else that you would normally do with a model you made by hand, you can do here.
Blank slate filled with real editable data.
Yeah, we went from blank slate, prompt, CAD, real world.
Okay, amazing. Thank you for the demo, Heather. Don't go anywhere. All right, give everybody. No, actually, you do get to go. Okay.
Farewell.
Sorry. I was going to